Right, we're going to look at another type of simultaneous equations question. So what we have here is an equation of a circle and an equation of a straight line. So first of all, this equation of a straight line, I'm going to write it as y equals, so I'm going to make y the subject. So that can be rewrote as y equals 7 minus x. I could have made x the subject, it doesn't matter which. Sometimes it'll be easier to make y the subject, sometimes it'll be easier to make x the subject. Right, so now I've done that, I'm going to substitute in this equation into the first one. So x squared plus 7 minus x squared equals 25. X squared plus 7 minus x, 7 minus x equals 25. So when it's squared, it's just double brackets that I can expand. I'm going to use FOIL to expand it. I'm just going to do that quite quickly to get x squared plus, and I leave it all in brackets, x squared minus 14x plus 49 equals 25. So I've left it in brackets at this point because sometimes that is a minus here and we'd have to subtract every term in these brackets, but it's a plus so we don't have to in this case. Simplify it a bit more, so 2x squared minus 14x plus 49 equals 25. To solve a quadratic, it must equal 0. So 2x squared minus 14x plus 24 equals 0. Right, so before I factorise this, I'm going to divide everything by 2 because I can see that everything's divisible by 2 and it'll just be a little bit easier for me to factorise. I'm going to put it in double brackets. X minus 3, x minus 4 equals 0. So then x must equal 3 or 4. Right, once I've got my x values, I can work out the value of y. So I'm going to use this equation here. You could have used any of these, but this is the easiest one. So I'm going to substitute both x equals 3 and 4 into this equation. So when x equals 3, y equals 7, take away x, which is 3, sorry, that's 3, which is 4. So I know it crosses at 3, 4. I'm now going to find out when x equals 4, y equals 7, take away 4, which is 3. So my other set of coordinates is 4, 3. I know that's quite a lot of work for one question, but it is worth quite a few marks. Right, will you pause the video and try the your turn question? X squared plus y squared equals 20, x plus y equals 6. I'm going to rearrange like I did before. Y equals 6, take away x. Substitute it into the first equation. Expand the brackets. Simplify further. Make the equation equal 0. I can divide everything by 2 again. Factorise. Solve. Once you've solved, substitute into y equals 6 minus x. X equals 4. Y is going to equal 6. Take away 4, which is 2. So I've got one coordinate 4, 2. and then x equals 2, y equals 6, take away 2, which is 4.